Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Restorations. Check this out. This we picked up actually for the studio, but it's really a toolbox. It is a really cool toolbox from Husky, and it has two very long drawers that you could easily put tools and such into there if you needed to or wanted to. Isn't that nice? I mean, it's just, they're relatively shallow, but like screws, socket sets, that kind of thing, if you were laying them flat, would easily fit. And they're, you know, they're on ball bearing rollers, so they're not inexpensive. This is the Husky 52-inch adjustable work height bench with two drawers. And I mean, when we were looking for a table to use in the studio, we wanted something that was going to be professional looking. But I was like, man, I'd love to be able to do some videos sitting down, and I'd love to be able to do some videos standing up. And we thought about trying to build something that we could have adjustable height. Well, right here, my friends, this thing cranks up and down. You can see the sleeve that it's in. So, you know, you just turn this thing and I can lower it down. All right, that's as low as it goes, and if I step back, you can see what I mean. Like, it's low. And if you give me a second, I'll crank it all the way up. And there you go with it all the way up. I mean, look at the height. Like, see if I can, that's past my waistline. That's how far up it is. And of course, anywhere in between you can put that thing. But the real reason that it sold me on this was this, like, you can roll it around really easily. It's got nice big casters, 4 of them down here, and then of course it locks in place. So once you press down on those casters, this thing is pretty well stationary. It's a really cool little piece of equipment. I wish they came in other colors, although we were going to try to do something in white just because we're trying to keep it pretty light in here for filming. But I mean, it's pretty nice. Now I think they have a 48, this is a 52. And I even think they had a 72, although that would have been way too big for our needs here. But yeah, I wanted to do it. It's definitely more of a restoration channel video than it is the regular channel videos, but it is downright cool. And I want to make you all aware of it. Less than $400 is what we paid, of course, with global collapse and hyperinflation and all that. You can probably expect to pay about $4.6 trillion in US currency in 2024. But, you know, somewhere between $350 and that, and you guys got yourself a table. Till next time, my friends, take care.